Want to create your own custom emojis on iPhone? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to create your own emoji icons. Now let's get started. You can make an emoji out of any photo in your iPhone camera roll. You can do this with photos you've taken, saved from the internet, screenshots, and more. Open the Photos app and go to a photo you'd like to turn into an emoji. Hold your finger down on the part of the photo you want to use as the emoji. Then tap Add Sticker. Your emoji will then be created and added to the sticker section of your iPhone's keyboard. You can apply special effects to your emojis by tapping Add Effect. Effects that you can add include outline, comic, puffy, and shiny. Tap an effect to add it to your emoji. Then tap Done to save. Repeat this process with other images to create all the emojis you'd like. To use your new emojis, open a conversation in the Messages app. Tap an emoji to add it to a message, or hold and drag the emoji to stick it to an existing message in your chat. You can also use your custom emojis in other apps like Notes, Photos, Files, and Mail, along with other apps that support sticker use. That's all it takes to make custom emojis on your iPhone. Want to make AI-generated emoji stickers? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.